In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a BOTM link. First, open the BOTM app on your device. This is the starting point for sharing the link. As you launch the app, you will see the main interface, which typically displays your recent chats and contacts. This is where all your communication takes place. It's important to ensure that the app is updated to the latest version for the best performance. Opening the app creates a seamless experience, allowing you to access all features promptly. Next, tap your profile picture, which is usually located in the top corner of the screen. This action will take you to your profile settings. On this screen, you can manage your account and preferences. Tapping your profile picture is crucial because it leads you to the area where you can invite friends to join you on BOTM. You'll notice options related to your account and settings, but we are focusing on sharing today. This step is simple yet essential, as it sets up the next part of the process. Now tap on the Invite Friends option. This feature enables you to share your BOTM experience with others. You will see various sharing options available. This is important because inviting friends enhances your social circle within the app. It allows you to connect with more people and enjoy conversations over BOTM. After tapping this option, the app will prepare a unique link that you can share with your contacts. Next, tap on Copy Link. This action copies the unique BOTM link to your device's clipboard. You won't see any visible confirmation, but it has been successfully copied. This step is significant because it allows you to share the link easily across different platforms. Having the link ready to paste saves you time and ensures a smooth sharing process. Now that the link is copied, you're just a few steps away from sharing it with your friends. After that, open the app you want to share the link with, such as WhatsApp, SMS, email, or any other messaging platform. You can choose any app that allows you to send messages easily. This is a key part of sharing because it gives you flexibility in how you want to communicate with your friends. When you open the app, you will see your contacts or conversations ready for you to initiate sharing. Now paste the link that you copied earlier. To do this, tap and hold in the message input area until you see the paste option appear. This step is straightforward, yet it is where the magic of sharing happens. Pasting the link ensures that your friends can easily access BOTM. They will appreciate your effort to invite them to join a platform that enhances communication. Once you see the link appear in the message input area, you are almost done. Finally, tap Send to share the link with your chosen contact. This action will deliver your message instantly. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your link has been sent successfully. This step is essential as it completes the sharing process. Your friends will now receive the link and can join you on BOTM. Sharing links like this fosters connections, making it easier for everyone to communicate on a platform they may not know about. With that, you have successfully shared a BOTM link. Thank you for following along and enjoy connecting with your friends on BOTM.